A moderate magnitude 3.7 earthquake occurred in the Indian Ocean 73 kilometers 45 miles from Indonesia in the early morning of Monday, May 26, 2025 at 5:08 a.m. local time, GMT+7. The depth of the quake could not be determined, but is assumed to be shallow. The quake was not felt, or at least not reported so. First to report, BMKG after 4 minutes. The earthquake occurred 3 days after a magnitude 6.0 earthquake had hit on Friday, May 23, 2025, at 2:52 a.m. GMT+7 local time. In 40 kilometers, 25 miles, distance to the northeast. Data source from Volcano Discovery. Did you feel it? Let us pray. May God protect everyone. Amen.